Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox error code 403 in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all we have to go control panel. Then click on network and sharing center. Then click on Wi-Fi. Click on properties. In this you select internet protocol version 4. Then click on properties. Here you select use the following DNS server addresses. Then type here 8 8 8 and 8. Then select here alternate DNS server 8 8 4 and 4. Then click on OK. After that close this window. Go to the Windows 11 settings. Click on apps. Select here app and features. Here you search Roblox. Click on 3 dot. Click on advanced options. Little bit scroll down. Click on repair. Then click on reset. Before reset, read this sentence. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then click on reset. After resetting, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.